Happy New Year, everyone. And this is Dennis. My name is Dennis, and I'm recording this video to everyone who has really been looking at my content, everything that I've been sharing, everything that I've been providing outside their value. And I haven't prepared anything on this video. I just want to share with you my story and how I've really different things that I've been able to learn in 2020 about growing sustainable. And I want you to underline that word, sustainable. How you can really able to really build a sustainable online business. I want to share with you a little bit because this is where I got started, guys. I actually had this vision of being a marketer, being someone who is able to help businesses put their product outside there and promote them. And this started when I was actually in high school, when one day I just saw a billboard and it caught my attention. It really caught my attention, and I was like, oh my. One time, because I know the big money is in the advertisement industry, I didn't know a lot about marketing. I was just calling it advertisement. I was like, the big money is on these people. I want you to listen to this, guys, because I really even didn't have like a broad goal. And this is where I want you to start, by having a vision. Okay, having a vision, and don't get worried about how you'll be able to implement this vision. Having just statements and then saying something, affirming them, you don't need to be so cocky, and like, you don't really need to be so extra, but just having something that really sits deep down in your heart. What I've come to learn is that the world will conspire, and one day, one time, if you focus on that, and if you keep on growing, and if you keep on developing your mindset, your skills, it will just come into fruition. And that is exactly what I'm experiencing right now in 2021. And now I want you to really get this, and I want to connect you with my story and what I'll be doing in 2021. And I think this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Okay, so I was thinking of the money is in these big advertisers, the money is in these big marketing gurus, and this is what I want to do. I didn't know that will happen. I just said that, and I left it. I left it. So what happened is, I finished high school, I joined campus. In campus, I did something different a lot, like just the way most of us do. I went and studied international relations. Did my 4-year course, finished it, and then during this period, I started getting exposed into different stuff. I formed my own affiliate marketing thing, collapsed like no other bill, like collapsed very badly, lost cash, and definitely I was in campus, so I really didn't have like really good money to invest into this business. I tried trading, forex, binary options. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have someone who would be able to really guide me very well. So definitely you can imagine what happened is I failed terribly. I tried to join a certain network marketing company. I won't mention names here, but it was in a health and wellness. It was in the health and wellness niche. Actually, I was not knowing that I am joining. I did not know I'm joining a network marketing company. Just knew that I was joining a company that had products, because I had opened my own. It was known as Youth for Youth 254, which was a charity organization. I had opened my own charity organization. So these supplements, I was told that they were very good to help people boost their immune, and had a lot of people that we were helping that were sick. They had a lot of problems, so we were just helping them. But the problem was, yes, I had the organization, it was really running well, but there were no finances. And this is where I had a big hit. So I'm just sharing with you my journey and how I was able to evolve into the person I am today, and what is really my purpose, and how I was able to really identify with what I really want to do in this life, and actually what I want to spend, because where my passion falls in, so that I may also help you out. And also I want to I'm not selling anything on this video. I am not promoting anything. I just want to help you. I want to give you the best advice that I think will really help you run your business in 2021, and this may go for 5-10 years also. So after I joined my first network marketing company, I got there. I was so excited when I saw the money. Okay, when I saw the money, and I want you to listen to this. When you are doing business, when you're doing your business right now, I want you to put off the aspect of money first, because the moment you start chasing the money, you start losing it all. And this is what I was doing. When I saw the money, I was excited. I was in the network marketing industry. I didn't know, ignorance on fire. I was inviting, man. I used to fill that room like crazy. This is my first network marketing industry. Then after that, that's when I was started. The person who had recruited me, I asked him, hey, how do you really build this business? Now I started realizing, wow, this is a business. It's supposed to be, I'm supposed to give it my energy. I'm supposed to really focus on it. And I was like, how do you really build this business? And you know, sometimes, guys, it's good to listen to your instincts and logic. Sometimes it's good to think outside the box. You know, I'm always this person who is always creative, who is always analyzing stuff, and who is always coming with different ideas. So this person told me, and he was my mentor, was, I want you to go on Facebook. I want you to go on celebrities in posts, in their comments. I want you to send this message to all of these people. I want you to do this, because this is how we get people and this is how we recruit people. Yes, I said okay, because he was my mentor. I went and did that. But the moment he stopped telling me, the moment he just finished with his advice, what clicked into my mind was, that is not sustainable. That is not sustainable, man. And that's the biggest problem when you take a look at the network marketing industry, the network marketing niche. That is the biggest problem. You know, we are giving strategies because these people, they are only just interested in just recruiting that person. They are not showing you what really matters when it comes to building the net. Let me tell you guys for sure, the network marketing industry, I believe, is one of the best industries in the world. But the problem is the trainings, and the problem is most of the people who are getting inside there are actually amateur entrepreneurs who are getting started, and when they get started, they don't have the right mindset to build a sustainable business. Okay, so this was my first network marketing company. I did all those things. I was going to the mall, I was carrying these products, I was showing these products to my friends, to my family members, and I was burned out. I was not getting results. We were told to be paying a lot of bills. We were trying to be definitely, like, the problem was, I didn't have the right mental attitude to really build a sustainable business. I didn't have the right mental attitude. So what happened is I stopped. Okay, definitely went back to the usual, but now here is where now you see my journey is starting, and I want you to really understand that where it actually began. So I started getting involved in online marketing, in digital marketing. I started studying people who were coaching and training about how to make money online, right? I started looking at different opportunities, and finally, I actually landed another network marketing company. But now here, I was so aware what is network marketing. I was so aware what I am getting involved in, and my mindset was on another level, and I was pumped up and I was so excited, right? And in between there, I tried different affiliate marketing programs. I followed a lot of people, consuming a lot of content, having sleepless nights, thinking that as soon as I consume this concept in like a day or 2 days, I'll start making money. That's what we think, you know, and that's how these people market to us. Make money overnight, have, an automated system that will do this for you, and we start generating for you leads, blah, 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 blah. And I read somewhere now, when I got into this company also, I was so excited about the product, but still there was something there was something that was remaining, and this, I want you to listen to this very carefully, because this is the missing puzzle that this is what you're missing to actually take your business to the next level, and this is what you're missing to actually start making the income that you really desire, is understanding that this is a business. This is a business. And I used to hear this a lot, but it never sunk into my mind, because definitely the way it was pitched, the way it was presented, I was shown that this is something that you can really make money in like 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. As soon as you recruit someone, you'll start making money. Yes, that is good, but I want you to ask yourself right now, depending on any business that you're building, I'm really talking because I know most of the people who are following me right now are people who are in the online space. They are network marketers, they are affiliate marketers, they're looking for how to make money online. I want to ask you one thing: the product that you're having right now and the strategy that you're using to market these products, is it something that you'll be doing for the next 10 years? Is it something prospecting, like sending those messages and doing all those things? Is it something that you will be doing for the next 10 years? And if the answer is no, I want you to start asking yourself, what is the strategy that I can implement that I can start seeing this as a real business? And I want you to ask yourself today, if you were to start a business, what will you be doing? What will you be doing different that you're doing different on this current opportunity that you're having, this current shiny object? I call them the shiny object syndrome. So that's one thing you're supposed to understand. And the second thing, guys, is focus and concentration. Okay, I really learned a lot when it comes to really putting your mind in one thing and putting effort and hard work, because this is the problem that most of you, because like for example, in 2020, right now in 2021, in 2020 I was getting a lot of people asking me questions, and these questions, when I analyze on my side, is they're just trying to hide, I call it instant gratification. You're trying to get results so fast and you're trying to rush things, and you are forgetting that you need to put some hard work. You really need to focus, man, concentrate and forget about your past. Okay, everything that happened in the past, it has happened in the past. Let it be. What you want to focus on is what you're having right now, and how can you really become a better person tomorrow. And you really need to put in the work. And I want to give you a lifespan. I want you forget about the bad mentality of 2020. I want you to think of this in 2021. When you're starting a project, for example, a business opportunity, for example, most of you guys will be having resolutions in 2021, and most of you guys will stick with it in just 2 weeks, and you'll go back to the normal stuff. That is what happens. So I want to help you understand this. If you're starting something today, I want you to give it 18 months, right? 18 months of hard work, concentration, and really putting your whole heart inside there, and without expecting something in return. This is what is happening in the online space. Someone is starting a business today and they're expecting tomorrow they're making a commission. You have not built your skills, you have not built your knowledge. You don't know anything about how to grow a business. You don't know anything about marketing, and you're expecting get rich quick. There's nothing like that in this world. There's nothing. You have to work. That's something that I've learned, man. You have to really work. And when I say work, it's not just working, but working hard and really putting a lot of, forget about these things people say about you have to work smart, right? You have to work hard and then you work smart. Okay, there's no beating around the bush on this. You just need to put in the time. You just need to put in the effort. And I want to help you also with one thing, which is focus. You want to follow one course until you succeed. Follow one course until you succeed. So, like for example, right now on my side, and this is how I'm learning, okay? Because right now I'm really focused on learning, finishing my stuff, right? The things that I want to be the best marketer, right? So this is what I'm doing. Putting everything aside and concentrating on my books like crazy. All I'll be doing is building my business, and building and providing content is just a bonus of me learning, right? Putting what I'm learning into practice. So 90% of my time I'll be focusing on finishing my masters this year. Learning books, writing my stuff, writing my projects. That's my major thing. That's my number one thing. So you want to have this one. Most of us, you're doing 30 things at once. You have to concentrate. Concentration is something so important. Okay. For example, right now I'm really concentrating on that a lot. I'll be giving it like 100% of my time. So on my breaks, when I'm relaxing, that's when you'll be seeing me on camera. That's when you'll be seeing me shooting videos. That's when you'll be seeing me providing content and providing value. And this will be related to the things that I'm learning, right? The things that I'm learning, it will be a form of me reminding myself the things that I've learned, because those are the things that you guys want. You want to learn how you can really market your business and get more leads, get more clients, and take it to the next level. So as you start your 2021, anyone who is watching this video right now, I want you to, if you're living on this video, just live with these two things. You have to focus, and you want to focus on one thing first. Choose one thing, you want to focus on it first. Give it all concentration. There will be a lot of distractions outside there. There always a lot of distractions. You know your distractions. Parties, friends, all these things, they're there. You need to focus. You need to remember every day what's your end goal. Be accountable to yourself. Then you need to concentrate. Concentration. Most of the people these days cannot even read for 30 minutes without taking a look at their phone. Concentration, right? Two things, focus and concentration, and then be patient and give it like 18 months. 18 months, how long does it take when you guys go to school? It takes 4 years, right, to complete a good course, right? 4 years. Why do you expect your business to get in and the second day you're starting seeing results? Patience, concentration, and focus. That's what I'll leave with you guys. So I'll not be promoting any network marketing. I'll not be promoting any Make Money online stuff. I will not be promoting any opportunity. All I'll be focusing in is marketing. And all I want to leave you guys is just make sure you hit that subscription button, make sure you hit that notification button, and always remember to always follow each and every video so that you may see what I'll be bringing on board. Have a good, happy new year, and always remember this: focus, concentrate, and be patient, and definitely you're going to see the results. And forget about the past. It's already gone. All you're focusing on is what will happen in the next 3 months, in the next 6 months, in the next 12 months. Be blessed.